welcome to the next video on Xperiencify. Today we're going to talk about how to add your terms and conditions into your order form. I do believe you have to do it for each course. It's not global. Maybe they'll make it where you do it once because it is the order form. But for now, as I said, you got to do it for each order. So we're going to let's go to the top one. I don't think I have my terms and conditions in this one. So then first place I'm going to go to is step 2, set course payment options. And then we're going to peek down to this little link, the preview order form. And then we wait. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It did a little jerk this, hopefully. There we go. So now we got the order form. And this is how you could edit your order form. You click on everything. So I want to edit the terms and conditions. So I'm going to go there and I'm going to click on it and the box pops up. So basically I have it all hopefully pre-copy and pasted. So I just got to paste. So boom, there we go. There goes the terms and conditions. I got them from our main website. They may have to tweak them at some point, and then I'd come back here to tweak it. So then I'm going to do save settings. And so now when anybody comes to this and they fill out their information and they want to agree to that, they can just click on that and they will actually see the terms and conditions. That is it. It's quite simple. It's basically knowing where to go. That's the only thing that is a little bit difficult, but once you know where you go, it's super easy, just like everything in Xperiencify. Anyway, if you have any questions, please leave them below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.